Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the Dorsalis Pedis artery. So first of all its intro, it is present in the dorsum of the foot. Okay, next it is the direct continuation of the anterior tibial artery in front of the ankle joint. So its formation, Dorsalis Pedis artery formation is nothing but it is the direct continuation of the anterior tibial artery. Okay, next what is the course of the Dorsalis Pedis artery? So it passes medial side of the foot proximal to the first intermetatarsal space and dips in between the first interosseous muscle and enters and supplies the sole of the foot. Okay, and what is its termination? Its termination is it anastomoses with the lateral plantar artery. Okay, so as I read about the course, you didn't understand, right? So I'm going to explain it with the diagram. Okay, now let us see the Dorsalis Pedis artery. So as I already mentioned, Dorsalis Pedis artery is the direct continuation of the anterior tibial artery. Okay, in front of the ankle joint. This is ankle joint. Okay, in front of the ankle joint, anterior tibial artery continues as the Dorsalis Pedis artery. Okay, now this Dorsalis Pedis artery course, it passes medial side of the foot. This is medial side, this is lateral side. Okay, it passes through the medial side of the foot proximal to the first intermetatarsal space. Okay, and dips in between the first interosseous muscle. Okay, first interosseous muscle, in between the first interosseous muscle, and it passes and enters into the sole of the foot. Okay, downwards, and it get anastomosis with the lateral plantar artery in the sole. Okay, this is clearly explaining the course of the Dorsalis Pedis artery. Okay, now let us see its branches. Okay, now the branches of the Dorsalis Pedis artery are lateral and the medial tarsal arteries, arcuate artery, which gives rise to second, third, fourth dorsal metatarsal arteries, and first dorsal metatarsal artery. So there are three branches of the Dorsalis Pedis artery. As I already mentioned, the branches are lateral tarsal artery, medial tarsal artery, and arcuate artery, which gives rise to second, third, fourth dorsal metatarsal arteries and first dorsal metatarsal artery, or it supplying the medial side of the big toe, which is also called as dorsal digital artery. This one, right? Okay. So let us see its applied aspects. The applied aspects of the Dorsalis Pedis artery are its pulsation can be measured in the dorsum of the foot. Okay. So in this video, we have been clearly learnt about the Dorsalis Pedis artery and its course and its branches and the applied aspects of the Dorsalis Pedis artery. Thank you for your patient listening.